Welcome back, cyclists. If you thought your bike was high-tech, wait until you see what you'll be wearing on your face this year. Today, we are breaking down the Visionary Velocity, the 2026 AI Cycling Sunglasses Guide. We'll be looking at the top AI-enabled shades that will totally transform how you ride. Let's dive in. Taking the top spot for best overall AI performance is the Oakley Meta Vanguard. Priced at $499, these glasses are an absolute powerhouse. They feature voice-controlled Hey Meta AI that can actually identify your surroundings and provide context in real time. Even better, they offer real-time Garmin data integration right into your experience, keeping your eyes on the road. You can also record your rides completely hands-free with 12-megapixel photos and 1080p video, capturing every moment perfectly. And if you're worried about going too fast for the mic, don't be. These are designed for high-intensity riding and effectively filter out wind noise. They effectively filter out wind noise even at speeds of 20 to 25 miles per hour, ensuring crystal clear audio. Next up, let's look at a lighter, more streamlined option for those who prioritize weight and aerodynamics over raw features. These minimalist shades offer a slimmed-down AI assistant that focuses purely on performance metrics and navigation. At under 35 grams, you'll barely notice they're there, even on those grueling century rides or steep alpine climbs. But if durability is your main concern, we need to talk about the Titan Tour series. These are built for the toughest conditions. With military-grade impact resistance and dust-proofing, these are the go-to for gravel grinders and mountain bikers alike. Plus, they boast a massive 12-hour battery life, ensuring they stay powered through even your longest adventure rides. The real magic happens when you sync them with the Companion app, allowing for custom HUD layouts and deep data analysis. Share your highlights to Strava or Instagram instantly with voice commands, making your post-ride routine faster than ever. For those on a tighter budget, the Lock One offers an incredible balance of features for under $300. It doesn't have the ecosystem of Oakley, but it covers the essentials: navigation, music, and basic performance tracking. The open-ear audio system allows you to hear your music while still being fully aware of traffic and your surroundings. As we look toward 2027, expect to see even more integration with e-bike systems and augmented reality navigation. We're talking full AR overlays that highlight potential hazards and the fastest lines through complex city intersections. Whether you're a pro racer or a weekend warrior, AI glasses are no longer just a gimmick, they're a game changer. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which pair you'd choose. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Ride safe. Cycling tech is evolving faster than ever, and 2026 is officially the year of the AI smart glasses. From integrated cameras to real-time AI coaching, these frames are changing how we ride. I'm diving into the best models on the market today, looking at performance, style, and the reality of battery life. First, let's talk about the heavy hitter that everyone is buzzing about, the Vanguard. The Vanguard is the undisputed king of functionality, packed with a high-definition action camera and multi-device sync. Its AI intercom allows for seamless communication with your pack, even in high-wind conditions. It's built for the serious endurance cyclist who wants to document every climb and stay connected. But for some, the rugged, tech-heavy look of the Vanguard might be a bit too intense for a casual ride. If you want something that looks a bit more normal at the post-ride cafe, the Oakley Meta HSTN is the best lifestyle pick. They pack similar AI and audio functionality as the Vanguard, but feature a more casual style and an IPX4 water resistance rating. On a tighter budget, look into the BleakUp 4-in-1 AI glasses. They are marketed as a great lower-cost alternative that still gives you an action camera, an intercom, and AI features. Before you hit Add to Cart, there are a few key things you need to know about the 2026 lineup. First up, functionality. These glasses use built-in microphones and speakers for open-ear audio, meaning you can take calls and listen to music without blocking ambient sound. This is a massive win for road safety. However, don't expect to see holograms floating in front of you. Currently, most AI glasses, including the Oakley Meta models, rely on audio cues rather than a visual heads-up display. It's about hearing the data, not seeing it. Finally, let's talk battery life. While you can generally get 6 to 9 hours of battery for standard connected riding, heavy use, like recording video on the Vanguard model, will drop that down to roughly 3.5 to 4.5 hours. So, which one is right for you? If you need the ultimate performance tool, the Vanguard is your best bet. For everyday style, go with Oakley. For value, Bleak Up is hard to beat. Whatever you choose, the future of cycling is looking smarter than ever. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next review. Welcome back to the Gear Guide. Today we're stepping into 2026 to see how AI has revolutionized what we wear on our faces. The biggest trend this year? Invisibility. Tech is now hidden inside frames that look exactly like classic high-end eyewear. It's all about quiet luxury. No more bulky sensors, just pure style with hidden power and integrated AI. Brands are using 3D facial scans to generate custom frames, optimizing airflow and eliminating lens fogging for good. With multimodal AI, you can just look and tell. Your glasses recognize landmarks and translate signs in real time. It uses cameras and LLMs to provide contextual info through open-ear audio, keeping your eyes on the world around you. Modern glasses now track UV exposure and even nudge your posture with gentle frame vibrations throughout the day. But for cyclists, the tech goes even further, focusing on performance, data, and most importantly, safety. Integrated heads-up displays like the CyberSight Zenith project your metrics directly into your field of vision. You can see your heart rate, cadence, and power without ever having to look down at a bike computer. This eyes-on-the-road tech is a massive safety boost, especially during high-speed descents or technical climbs. High-end models now integrate with rear-facing radar, highlighting approaching vehicles directly on your lens. It's an extra layer of awareness that lets you focus on the road ahead while staying safe from behind. We're also seeing liquid crystal lenses. These can shift tint in less than 50 milliseconds, instantly reacting to tunnels. Unlike traditional photochromic lenses that take half a minute, these computational lenses are effectively instant. New models even function as dash cams, using AI to auto-tag your best sprints and scenic vistas for your highlight reel. The Oakley Meta Vanguard is a standout here, specifically designed for those long century rides. Battery life has jumped to 9 hours of continuous use, so your glasses won't quit before you do. But technology isn't everything. Many pros still swear by mechanical traditional performance eyewear. Take the Rudy Project Kilian. It's the indestructible choice for pro teams like Bahrain Victorious. The frame is made from Reelsin Clear, a bioplastic derived from castor beans, making it both sustainable and tough. Its Impact X photochromic lenses are military-grade and virtually unbreakable, offering a distortion-free view. With 360-degree adjustable temple tips and nose pieces, it's widely cited as the best-fitting large frame on the market. It's the ultimate choice for high-vibration activities like gravel racing, where a secure fit is everything. Then there's the 100% Hypercraft SQ, a retro-futuristic speed specialist focused on absolute minimum weight. Using ultracarbon technology, it weighs in at just 23 grams, making it one of the lightest shield glasses ever made. The Hyper lenses use computational color filtering to make road imperfections pop with incredible clarity. If all this tech sounds like too much of a distraction, the guide hasn't forgotten you. For high-performance traditional sunglasses without the AI, the Rudy Project Kilian and 100% Hypercraft SQ are rated as the top choices for 2026. Are you making the jump to AI sunglasses this season or sticking to the classics? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep pedaling. See you next time.